Alright, I'm going to introduce you how we're going to install and how to use the device over here. So welcome to my channels. That will be Royal Polo Malaysia's officials, we'll call that a YouTube channels over here. So let me introduce you. That will be when you purchase our product over here, you are going to get an intelligent keychain, and also that will be a user guide over here. So when you open that, the user guide, actually you're going to discover there will be a step and also by step that you can discover with various kind of function of our intelligent keychain. Without further delay, I'm going to show you our step, which is what you need to get ready is your phone. And of course, you just turn on your phone and you just open up. There will be a camera, and I want you to point your camera into the, if you are iPhone, please scan the QR code of your iPhone QR code. And the other one, if you are using Android, so please scan on the Android. So once you turn on here, and you are going to find the tracker pack, right, which is Dico Tracker PA. And this will be the times for you to download. So you're going to key in your purchase, or the device here is totally free. It's totally free. So like for us, we already downloaded before, so we just tap in install. So this will be take a while to get those device to install. You don't need to pay any monies. You totally free for life. So after you download, and I'm going to show you, and you just tap on open. So once you're here, you're going to see they are asking you a lot of questions over here. The first question is allowed to check on your locations or not. You are saying allow while you are using apps or allowed once. So I will better advise you to just click on allow while using apps. So Tracker PA, Dico Tracker PA would like to use a Bluetooth. You say okay. Would like to send you a notifications. You say okay. So would like to use your use a Bluetooth for your new connection. You say setting. All right. So make sure that you go, and for some of you, you close your Bluetooth. But from here, I would like you to turn on your Bluetooth over here and come in here, and here we go. And now we are shifted to another one, which is we need to, from here we have both sides, the keychain. So definitely either side that you press is fine. So you go to the center of the love and you just press, long press. You can hear beep, beep, beep. 3 sound means that you are completed. Turn on the device. So from this, you can just come over here, and you can see this will be the main page according to our step number 3. Our step number 3 over here, you just press on plus. All right. So immediately you can see a tracker PA with a very strong signal over here. This will be the tracker PA here. And the signal is very, very strong. So you just tap on over here, and you're going to receive another pages, which is, let's say you are going for rename. Like for example, your name is Daniel. You can just type on Daniel. For example, your name is Elaine. You just put on Elaine. So for me, I will just put on Royal Polo. All right. So you press modify. Once you've done that, you can see the Royal Polo connected with you with turn-in colors. So from that, you tap on that, and here we go. You can just click on ring here. It's a bell ring over here. You just click on that, and you can hear. Immediately, you can hear the beat sound over here. So you are using phone to search for your keychain. So your keychain over here, you can, if you want to turn off, you just tap on the bell. Your keychain, actually, you can hook on whatsoever things that you think is important. Like for example, I'm going to hook on my car key. I'm using phone to look for my car key. Alright, so from that, I will go for a normal setting over here. You can changing your ringtone. Just now, let me turn on. I haven't turned on. Alright, so you want to choose the third ringtone. Whatever that you think you are comfortable. So once you have that ready, here is showing the device power is 100%. So everything turned on, you can checking your battery life, which is the battery inside the device, which is I'm going to teach you further how we're going to change the battery later. So now I'm going to go for a loss management over here. Alright, so once you come in over here, which is you can't detect the map because we are using 高德地图. So from that, of course, we need to go back to our main page, and you're going to, the main page over here is the one showing your device name over here. And I want you to go down to the setting page, and I want you to go for the map area. This is a map area, and you just tap on and you go to the Google Map. So let's see what is the next thing that we need to do. And we go back, alright, and we tap in over here. We go back to the loss management over here, and immediately you can see you become Google Map and where is your locations. Alright, so after that, the last functions for this, that will be your phone, your photo. So you are using your device to take a photo of this. So let's say they are asking you like to access your camera, please say allow. Okay. So once you have that, you can see I'm doing my recording over here, and I'm using my device over here, and I just press, right, allow. Just setting one time. Let me do the second one. And you can hear chit chat, which is the photo has been taken. Alright, so once you want to check where will be, how is your photo taking, and you just come back to the camera over here, alright, and you can find out that will be the photo that you've taken today. Alright, so lastly, I'm going to share with you how we are going to, you're going to have a lot of questions, which is, are you going, how are you going to alert? Let's say you want to find your phone over here. If you want to find your phone, let's say you forgot where you put your phone, you just go for, you press 2 times, you're looking for the phone. So once you're looking, you see Royal Polo looking for mobile phone, confirm. Let me show you one more times. Alright, so once you are feeling you're reaching home, you feel safe, you finish your work, you want to turn it off, you can just long press. Device is looking for, then you are confirmed. So definitely, if you want to turn off somebody stolen your car key, if that turn off this, this will be, your handphone will be alert. Alright, so it's a dual synchronizations over here. Alright, so lastly, how we're going to change the battery over here, and you can see this will be one of the buttons, a snap button that you can remove, and you are just remove this strap over here, and you're going to find a packing and also a spongy thing inside, and you can see that will be a device has been installed inside. So CR2032, It's a very common battery at which is you can easily get it at any convenience store and also the hardware shop. So I will strongly recommend you to go for the expensive or with a brand. So it's a 3V lithium battery. I will advise you, once you want to change, you just carefully unplug and you get a new one and you put back over here. After you put back already, and you just using your nail to secure the both end over here, and you put it back and follow the heart shape, and you can see a curved line over here is facing outside, and you just slid it on and you just hold it back and you can just put it over here. The common questions, there will be a lot of people that will ask, after I turn off already, is it every time I need to go for a setting? The answer is no. So every time that you are, the second time that you use, I turn on already, you can see this will be, they are automatically connected. Let me just call my phone. So you just unlock it. All right. And confirm. So once I turn it off, I turn it back, they are connect back. So it's not always you need to you no need to always need to go for reinstall or reconnect again. All right, so I hope my guide over here is finding you well, and I'm looking forward for you for more Royal Polo device and gadget to introduce to you. Bye.